And guess what? Siyempre, pina-autograph ko yung akin. Hi everyone! Grace Veronda here, PR and marketing consultant in the music industry. Let me share with you some of the highlights from the exclusive press con for the much anticipated collaboration album of OPM rap icon Glock 9 and top tier rapper Abaddon under Universal Record. It was such an intimate yet powerful afternoon. A few days ago, we gathered some of our closest friends from the media for a private press conference, and the turnout was amazing. Thank you so much to everyone who came to show their support. Our media guests got a deeper look into the story behind the album title and how this epic collab between Glock 9 and Abaddon was born. The two artists were very generous in answering all the questions from the creative process, inspirations, hanggang sa mga real-life experiences na naka-influence sa mga kanta nila.
Salamat sa artistry na pinakita sa album na to. Congratulations! Dapat mapakinggan ng marami. So,
of course, hindi rin pinalampas ang usapang tungkol sa mga socially relevant themes na matagal na namang trademark ni Glock 9, especially tungkol sa korupsyon. It was such a meaningful exchange, puno ng insights at respeto sa artistry ng dalawang rap heavyweights.
Yung Project Abaddon kasi, mas nag-focus kami sa kung ano yung trip namin pagdating sa rap. Makanta na based on experiences namin. Pero hindi siya ganun ka, tama ba yung word? Salimuot? Hindi. Medyo mas ano lang, mas good vibes ang yung album. You have to trust yourself din.
And yes, everyone had so much fun. The vibe was chill and full of energy. At may bonus pa, a super cute, personalized souvenir from Glock 9 himself, courtesy of Asintada. And guess what? Siyempre, pina-autograph ko yung akin.
Hello, ako si Glock 9.
At ako naman po si Abaddon at you are watching.
It was truly an afternoon filled with music, kwentuhan, and genuine passion for OPM. Maraming salamat ulit to everyone who joined us and helped make this presscon a huge success. Siyempre pa, pinasabog na naman ng Project A ang local rap scene. Oh well, expected naman yun eh.
talagang Project A. Salamat sa artistry na pinakita sa album na to.
Congratulations!
Dapat mapakinggan ng marami. So, please spread the word about Project A. Maraming salamat mga sir.